Hello friends, want to make sure your kids don't stumble onto The Handmaid's Tale while looking for Blu-ray? This year, Hulu has simplified its parental controls into a two-step lock and block system. And I'm showing you how to create a safe space for your kids and how to lock your own profile behind a pin. So the first step is creating a dedicated space. So for that, you log in to your Hulu on your browser or mobile app and select Add Profile. Give it a name, and here's the key. Toggle the kids switch to on. This year, this automatically restricts the profile to the Kids Hub, which only shows content rated G, PG, or TVY. They won't even see the search results for mature titles. Also, if your child is a bit older, say a teenager, you might not want a kids profile, but you still want limits. So for that, you go to Manage Profiles, click the pencil icon on that profile, and select Content Rating. And this year, you can manually set the ceiling to TV PG or PG-13. This allows them to see more grown-up shows without giving them full access to R-rated movies or TVMA originals. And then a kid's profile is useless if they can just click over to your profile. And to prevent the profile hopping, stay in the Manage Profiles menu and look for Parental Controls. Toggle on the PIN protection, and then you'll be asked to enter your account password and then create a 4-digit PIN. Once enabled, anyone trying to switch from a kid's profile to an adult profile or trying to create a new one will be blocked by that PIN. And one last tip. Go to your account settings and toggle on Restrict Profile Creation. This prevents tech-savvy kids from simply making a brand new, unrestricted profile to bypass your rules. And that's it. That's how you child-proof your streaming for your child. If this helped you out, guys, and gave you a peace of mind, hit subscribe and like the video.